We're at the Jordan Lake Dam Trail. It is all in the sun, just to let you know. It's pretty dang hot today.
Let me carry something.
No, you look tired. You hot? Tired? Are you hot, Angela? It's pretty dang warm out here today. Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Addict. We are at Jordan Lake Dam. Now, we have been to other places today. It's a Sunday and Jordan Lake is so full, no cars can get in. So this place is a nice place to come. Not many people. And this trail here, Trail Race Trails, doesn't look like anybody's on it at all because it's not on all trails and it's not one that's very well known. So we're on our way to check it out. And here comes Angela.
Did you see the bald eagle?
Okay, we found a geocache. Let's see what's in there. Rusted on me. All right, we got a rock. That's nasty, it's wet.
Spider.
Okay, we found another geocache. This one had the rock on top of it. And here we go, let's check it out. You want to open it up? Oh, I think I got it upside down. All right. Oh, look at these ticks. We don't want, that's not part of the treasure. Sign the log and be on our way. That's cute. At the overlook of the dam, I guess. And we had to work hard to get up here. But you can't really see anything. We found another geocache. What's inside? Just a login. Is that it? Oh, some little doodads. Okay. We just finished Jordan Lake Dam and we did the trail on the outside, and I will tell you that if you do that, it is all sunshine, so go in the morning or the evening. It's very hot in the sun. Am I right, Dad?
Yes, it is. It's more than I can do.
And then we took a little trail in the back that was in the woods. We found some geocaches, and then we went up to the overlook at the let me show you. Right at the dam there, you can go to this way and go up on the overlook and see out the overlook, which was really pretty. So I hope you enjoyed the adventures. It was so hot today. We're gonna go home and cool off. All right, we'll see you on the next adventure. See you later.
Bye.